Guess what, y'all? Go ahead, guess. Do you know what today is? 6 months anniversary. And I knew my 6 months was coming up, but I just didn't realize it was like this. It was today. Like, that's crazy. It's going by so fast. Okay, so I had to get out the window. I was getting washed out. Probably getting washed out here, but I can see you a little better. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paris, and in today's video I will be updating you on my 6-month hair transplant results. If you haven't watched any of my hair transplant videos, I will link them above, but I will give you a quick little recap. So in March of 2021, this year, I got a hair transplant. My sides were extremely bald. They were bald, and I got it fixed. My forehead area was great, but behind the ear and on the sides, not so great. Now that we have made it to 6 months, for starters, I noticed I do not get those whiteheads anymore. The cobblestone is completely gone, or it's either gone or it's covered up my hair. Either way it go, I don't notice it. And ingrown hairs, gone. I have noticed one side is getting fuller than the other side. I want to say this side is less full. I don't know, it's probably the same. I feel like it looked different when I was looking out the window. I don't know. Child, it's one of these sides. These, I did not put any of my edges in here, as you can see. I just let it go, and I give myself a nice middle part so it could just hang low like this. So I believe I'm about to take these out and put the faux locks back in. I think I want to stay with styles that are like this, you know, just completely off of my edges, and I can just cover it up with the middle part. Now I do want to try Olaplex. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comment section below. Like, how did you like it? Was it worth the money? Because I do know it is a pretty little penny. But yeah, if you have tried it, let me know. So, but before we go, I do want to set up a little compilation of when I first got my hair transplant all the way up into now, and then I will also leave you with a back view of my donor area. And I feel like each time I show you my sides, I always put my little crusty fingers in the way. So, I'm not going to touch it. There I am touching it. If you have had a hair transplant or thinking about getting one, let me know in the comments below. Let's have a conversation about it. But thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next updates, my 7-month. I cannot wait to see how much growth has happened by then. But please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell for any future updates on this channel. Thanks. Church, I said get into it, yo. I just she ain't better, but never get into it, yo. I said I just gotta